Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco CyberVision. We are going to install the Sensor Management extension to your CyberVision Center. The Sensor Management extension provides the capabilities to manage the life cycle of CyberVision sensor installations. Before we start, please go to software.cisco.com to download the extension file. Log in and click on Access Downloads. Search for CyberVision and follow the navigation to CyberVision Center. In the left-hand side menu, select the version matching the one of your CyberVision Center. On the right-hand side, select the CyberVision Sensor Management extension for download. Depending on your download speed, the process might take a while to complete. Before the download starts, you must click to accept to the General Terms Agreement. As soon as the download has completed, point your browser to the CyberVision Center and log in. Once logged in, navigate to Admin in the left-hand side navigation. In the context menu, click on the extension navigation item. Click Import a new extension file on the right-hand side. Provide the previously downloaded extension file. The file will be sent to your center. The time it takes to upload the extension is dependent on your connection's upload speed. Once uploaded, the extension will automatically be installed. The successful installation will be confirmed with a status update. With the installed extension, you now can manage the life cycle of CyberVision sensors from your center. Navigate to Sensors in the context menu and click on Sensor Explorer. If you now click to install a new sensor on the right-hand side, you will see the option to install a sensor via extension. This option was made available because you just installed the related extension on your CyberVision Center. Please consider also watching the tutorial video on using the functionality you just added to your center to manage your sensors.